Range Rover. Two words synonymous with absolute luxury, refinement, and unrivaled capability. We haven't set out to reimagine Range Rover, we've simply made it better. With its floating roofline, continuous waistline, and lower accent graphics, the smoother bonnet gives the car a more sleek and sophisticated stance, while the new grille shows the exquisite attention to detail. Inside, the new Range Rover is the embodiment of executive-class travel. Cutting-edge technology is combined with the finest British craftsmanship and ingenious stowage solutions to produce our most luxurious cabin ever. The new Touch Pro Duo infotainment system is the sleek centerpiece of the sophisticated cabin. Wider, deeper cushioned seats create an unrivaled level of comfort. The long wheelbase features 186 millimeters of additional legroom, and the executive class seats provide the ultimate rear passenger experience. Sleek redesigned headlights enhance the commanding upright stance of the new Range Rover, and now feature LED technology for greater efficiency and durability. At the rear, the new LED taillights have a self-assured simplicity. Dynamic integrated exhausts complement the new Range Rover's elegant looks and further enhance the vehicle's iconic design. The new Range Rover features Touch Pro Duo. This sleek and engaging infotainment system has two touchscreens. The upper screen is the infotainment hub, whilst the lower screen includes climate controls and direct input to the seat settings. The rear seat entertainment system allows passengers to access their own multimedia entertainment through HD touchscreen, which delivers an outstanding level of interactivity. The all-new Pixel LED headlights produce a beam made up of 144 LEDs that responds to multiple light sources. The system can shadow 4 sections simultaneously, illuminating the road ahead without dazzling oncoming traffic. At higher speeds, the optional laser supplementary high beam enhances visibility more than 500 meters ahead, further improving safety. The new Range Rover incorporates an impressive level of ingeniously integrated connectivity and practicality. The secure 4G Wi-Fi hotspot supports up to 8 devices at a time, and combined with numerous charging points, ensure you stay connected and fully charged wherever your journey takes you. Connect Pro allows you to communicate with your vehicle via your smartphone wherever you are. From setting the interior climate of the car, to locking and unlocking the doors, or planning and sending door-to-door routes. The new Range Rover's second-generation head-up display delivers a larger full-color image, projecting key information into the driver's line of sight. The advanced multifunction steering wheel uses hidden-until-lit capacitive switches to give the driver effortless control of the vehicle's functionality. High-resolution full-color interactive driver display has 4 different layouts, which can be tailored to suit the driver's preference and deliver the key information required. The Range Rover Activity Key is a durable waterproof wristband that allows the user to lock and unlock the vehicle without having to carry their key fob. Inside the new Range Rover, occupants are cocooned within a tranquil haven. New, thicker 6mm glass makes the new Range Rover our quietest drive ever and enables occupants to enjoy a first-class travel experience. The cabin air ionization system uses nanotechnology to improve the air quality inside the vehicle. The system condenses moisture from the cabin air and breaks it into tiny electrically charged particles that react with air contaminants to neutralize odors, bacteria, and allergens. Shielded by water, the particles last longer and disperse further than those from conventional ionizers, making them more effective and maintaining a healthier cabin atmosphere for longer. The ingenious gesture-activated sun blind further enhances the effortless sense of comfort and well-being inside. The blind closes automatically when the vehicle is locked, returning to its previous position when the driver returns, to help maintain a consistent cabin temperature. The gesture-activated task light has been re-engineered and repositioned for a more focused source, making the new Range Rover perfect for both work and relaxation. The executive class rear seats now offer a 40-degree powered recline for the ultimate in passenger comfort. They can also be folded to increase load space capacity. At the touch of a button, the fifth seat is replaced with the deployable rear center console, transforming the environment into the rear executive class 4-seat configuration, while the front passenger seat automatically folds away to provide even more legroom if desired. With the Comfort Controller app, seat heating, cooling, and even the hot stone massage functionality can all be controlled from your smartphone. Peerless in all respects, this is our most capable Range Rover yet. Terrain Response 2 adjusts the vehicle's configuration to match the demands of the terrain by automatically selecting from one of 5 driving modes. The driver can also select Dynamic Mode, which tunes the suspension for tighter handling and sharper responses, or Eco Mode, where the system promotes the most efficient driving style.